GMT basically rose 21.99% in 7 days, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Bears control GMT's by and large current cost activities, or so they generally thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn sort of is floating at $315.95 or $95, which by and large is genuinely critical. Current stepn cost truly is $0.32 so 5 April 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through stepn cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly. Clarified some pressing issues facts. What in a real sense is somewhat momentary cost expectation for stepn? All things considered, is GMT a truly wise speculation, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? Stepn support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping sort of profound into the GMT's specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us explicitly discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, showing how bears control GMT's genuinely current cost activities in a truly significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 184%. Bringing the especially whole digital currency market to total 492, 603, 616, 514 in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely complete exchanging volume really remains at $105, 179, 779.26. Sort of additional appearance how GMT in a real sense rose 21.99% in 7 days, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is very huge, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66, 895.12 level after a decay of 0.59%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 3.18% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours, so which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66, 895.12 level after a decay of 0.59% in a genuinely large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time span. So 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn, especially is floating at $315.95, 195%, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is somewhere near 857, and as of now exchanging at $172.88 in an especially large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market basically is going in a very descending course for kind of present moment, which basically shows that bears control GMT's most certainly current cost activities, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Right now, a by and large broad certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an exceptionally significant manner. Stepn backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which certainly shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn explicitly is floating at $315.95, 195 as an amazingly. Support by and large is a level at which purchases certainly become all the more especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So stepn backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which basically shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn in a real sense is floating at $315.95, 195 as in a genuinely significant manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors in a real sense become moved genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So bears control GMT's ongoing cost activities, which all things considered is very critical. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of stepn GMT stepn execution. The cost of stepn GMT basically is at $0.32, down 6.45% in the by and large beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week in every practical sense. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the GMT specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the sort of current economic situations, showing how bears control GMT's truly current cost activities in a significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $315.95, 195 as USD, while by and large all-out market cap came to $445 and 935, 315 USD. Kind of additional appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn really is drifting at $315.95, 195 as in an unobtrusive manner. There in every practical sense are very nearly 385, 950, 707 for the most part are available for use out of 5,369,650,000 737. Certainly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period. So 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn sort of is floating at $315.95, 195 and truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Stepn value examination GMT cost investigation for 05 April 2024 inside and especially day-to-day time period basically made sense of beneath in an all things considered large way. We utilize extremely relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal combination and difference MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving certainly normal SMA and outstanding moving exceptionally normal MA to generally break down the future development of the stepn, which essentially shows that the truly absolute exchanging volume really remains at $105, 179, 779 to 26. Kind of additional appearance how GMT most certainly rose 21.99% in 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. The sort of relative strength file RSI shows that the GMT coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 37 in an unobtrusive manner, while GMT's Williams percent R pointer for the most part is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange extremely signal essentially is truly conceivable at this reach. Kind of additional appearance how market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to 492, 603, 616, 514 in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid. Genuinely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 3.8% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours, so which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66, 895.12 level after a decay of 0.59%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Stepn financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day diagram, exhibiting how current stepn cost generally is $0.32 05 April 2024. In this video,